flavor of these gorgeous, gorgeous girls is Selena's chocolate and cinnamon cookie cream. What's up, guys? It's CadeAlex. I have something that nobody else in the entire country of France has, and it rhymes with Selena Gomez Oreos. Selena Gomez Oreo! It literally tastes like Selena Gomez's puss. Of course, this is a USA thing only because they don't do Oreo collabs anywhere outside of the USA. Even as an American living and studying in France, I had to get my hands on one of these. Not only do I love my girl Selena Gomez,
I wonder if Selena Gomez named Rare Beauty because she has that rare disease.
but I also love Oreos and everything about the flavors. So when my mom came to visit me, I said, I don't care if you bring clothes or nothing, as long as this is in your suitcase. So we're gonna do a taste test of the new limited edition Selena Gomez Oreo collaboration. Oh my god, I've been waiting 2 months for this. I'm gonna go all night. I'm gonna go in bed. I'm gonna do this beating hard. Oh. Putting on my shoes. I love Oreos. Watch a girl go. Needed to lose you to find these Oreos, Oreo. I needed USA to find these. I have the one and only 24 karat Selena Gomez Labubu Dubai Chocolate Oreo Stanley Cup. And that's Selena Gomez brain rot for ya. Selena's signature cookie. Sweet like Selena's puss. Flavor of these gorgeous, gorgeous girls is Selena's chocolate and cinnamon cookie cream. Oh, Lord, please be good because I love me some Selena Gomez. Taste test. Oh my god, it says selenators on it. Smells like cinnamon. Wait, they all have different patterns, I think. Wait. Selenators, flaming heart, cute little music note, cute little headphones. Oh, another one, thank you. Heart-shaped record album, I think. 5 seems like a lot. Is there more? I think that's all. The other side just says Oreo, obviously. Smells like cinnamon, and it has 2 layers. Look, a white layer with like specks in it, and a chocolate layer. Girl. Chocolate and cinnamon cream cookies. You better deliver, Selena. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for 2 months for this. No. How do I describe this? Oh my god. It tastes like cinnamon and chocolate and an Oreo. It literally tastes like a cinnamon Oreo. Oh my god. The cookie, it has cinnamon and the cream. For real, Selena Gomez, these are a 10 out of goddamn 10. These should be a permanent flavor. If you're in the United States and you have Target near you and they're still doing the collab, get yourself a pack of Selena Gomez Oreos, and I promise you'll finish the whole thing and want a damn another one. Another one, thank you. Oh, it even says chocolate cinnamon flavored cookie, chocolate and cinnamon flavored cream, sweet and condensed milk flavored cream with cinnamon sugar. Oh my god. So Selena Gomez supports diabetes, and I ain't mad about it. I was so excited to try this because I love Selena Gomez. According to my calculations, we have now had a Lady Gaga Oreo, a Post Malone Oreo, a Selena Gomez Oreo. I'm just waiting for that T-Swift Oreo, Sabrina Carpenter Espresso Oreo. Okay, Oreo, hire me. I have great ideas. Leave me a comment below. What celebrity collab do you think is next? Because like low-key, the possibilities are endless. Yeah, hire me. Yeah, Oreo, hire me. I got ideas. Hit me up. What's your favorite Oreo flavor and or favorite limited edition Oreo collab? Because I remember they had a Coke Oreo that I wanted to try so bad that I never got to because I live in France. Chocolate pretzel Oreos that I never got to try because I live in France. I did like the churro one. The Sour Patch Kid one was kind of nasty. But at least I got to try my gorgeous, gorgeous Zwada Rare Beauty Queen Selena Go-Go Juice. Thanks for watching. If you want to know all the other stuff my mom brought me from the USA, watch my other video. And leave me a comment below if you've tried this flavor or if you would try this flavor. Who doesn't like cinnamon and cream? Come on. If you don't like cinnamon, leave a comment because you are insane. And we all need to know so we can avoid you. I'm sorry. Don't forget to follow along for more taste tests, culture shocks, Parisian content, all the crazy stuff that goes on in my life as an American living in France. Crazy. And all I'm gonna leave you with is one question. Does Hailey Bieber have an Oreo? And as the French say, bon voyage, bitch.